What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Um, all right, so I've run into a little bit of a problem. Okay, so a couple days ago, I went for a drive with my girlfriend, and I don't really remember where we were going, but just a normal running an errand type deal here. Okay, so I noticed that when I was driving, my steering wheel, and I mean driving perfectly straight, my steering wheel was like this, okay? So you can see the lip there, and you can tell that it was crooked. But I was driving perfectly straight. Um, and I've never run into that issue. I noticed a lot of things. I can be pretty nitpicky and OCD, whatever you want to call it. But, you can't blame me when I'm driving a $50,000 truck. I want my steering to be perfect at least, you know. So I've tested it a couple times. I've driven on the highway. I've driven in my neighborhood, slow speeds, high speeds. And I came to the conclusion that, you know, maybe it needed to be aligned or something. I've only had the truck for about, let's say, 14 months. So I didn't expect it to need alignment just yet. So I took it to Toyota, and they did the alignment and rotated the tires. Um, when I got the truck back, I went ahead and test drove it. And it was still, it was driving straight, but it was crooked like that. Not by much, but enough to bother the crap out of me. So, straight is the way it is now. That, driving straight, it needs to be like this. When I put the steering wheel like this, it goes to the left. When it's like this, it drives perfectly straight. So after the test drive, I went back and I said, listen, I just got this aligned, and the steering wheel is still crooked. I deeply explained to him what I am experiencing, and he said, basically, okay, I understand. Yeah, made it like he was going to solve the problem. Like it was no big deal. This time, I left the truck, right? This time it took 2 hours longer than what the first time did. And I finally get my truck back. I actually called them to see if it was ready because they were supposed to call me. They didn't pick up, or he didn't pick up. And I wind up driving over there, and yeah, he was missing from his desk. I get to his desk, and I'm like, is this guy here, such and such? And he wind up getting there with some paperwork, and he showed me a percentage of the alignment and the steering wheel and all this. And he said, everything is fine, everything is perfectly straight. So I kind of felt relieved, right? So I get in the truck, I start driving off, and what do you know? It's still like this when driving straight. And I can't tell you how much that really bothered me, especially when I missed work and, spent my entire day dealing with this situation. So now I'm at a point where I'm not really sure what to do. I figured that they have to actually straighten the steering wheel itself, and maybe it has nothing to do with the alignment of the front wheels or anything like that, and maybe they have to actually straighten the steering wheel. So, I'm thinking about going back today, but I'm not really sure because I just really don't want to go through the same process again, or they wind up charging me again for straightening the steering wheel when to me that should be covered. But so basically, I'm asking everyone's opinion. What do you think? What do you think I should do? What do you think the problem is? Tell me anything you have to tell me. I don't care if it's negative, positive. I don't care if you want to call me an idiot or that I should know better or that I know nothing about cars at all. Tell me something. I need some type of opinion. I've asked a couple of people already, and one guy, my superintendent, actually, he works on cars and rebuilds cars, and he told me it's the steering wheel that probably needs to be straightened out. So let me know what you guys think. I would honestly like to go to a local wheel and tire place that they are really good. I've never had a problem with them, but I'm still on the warranty, so I don't want to screw with that, So let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'd really appreciate the help, guys. All right. Catch you on the next one.